Well, welcome to a new episode of Wall Street, the New Hustle. We're going to talk about the Visa Quicksilver card on this episode. I want to get right into it. I choose the Quicksilver card. By me having a long relationship with Capital One, I've had 4 car loans with Capital One. So I've established a history. But if you're just starting out, you're a young person, normally if you go to a dealership and get a card, buy a vehicle, whatever, Capital One will be one of your first credit issues that probably will extend you credit. But getting the Capital One Visa card, Quicksilver card, is, in my opinion, is a great idea. Like say you get 1.5% cash back on all your major purchases. But here we're going to show you a short little video where early in one part of the video where we show that the benefits of the Capital One Quicksilver 1.5% cash back card. So let's say you have a $2,000 credit card limit, and let's say you have a mortgage of $1,300, a car payment of $500. So let's say January 1, 2001, let's say your mortgage is due on the 1st of the month. Now, once it gets past the 15th, which would be 16th, most people incur a late fee, a late penalty. After 30 days, your loan becomes late and it will be marked on your credit report. So what we'll say here, on January 1st, we'll have a payment of $1,300 come out of our credit card, which will leave you a balance of $700. Now, mind you, you already have the money in your savings account or checking account or your regular bank card. But instead of doing that, you can just transfer the funds to your Visa credit card and then get the cash back for it. So let's say you take that $1,300 on the first, which leave you a balance of $700 left over on your credit card. Now this is the first of the month. Now, most people, you either do it on the 14th or the 13th before it hits past the 15th, incur that late fee. But let's say your car note is due on the 10th. That's $500. So now you have $700 left over. Now you pay your car note, which is $500, which leaves $200 left on a card. Now you can spend a total of $1,800 for the month. Now you take the $1,300 you would have paid with your debit card, put it back onto the card, leaving $1,300 back on the card. So now you're back up to $1,500. Sorry. Now you're back at $1,500 back onto the card. Now you've already spent over $1,800 back. So now, let's say if you get paid here on the 15th, you can put the other $500 back onto the card that's used for the car payment. Now you're back at $2,000 again, and you spent a total $1,800. And you haven't reached the 30-day limit, or 30-day limit where you have to pay that money back for it, get reported on your credit report. So let's say you got groceries.
I hope you at least use the Capital One Quicksilver card and got 1.5% cash back.
Groceries, you have gas, utility bills. You can take that money out, transfer it back onto the card. Let's say you charge another $1,000 worth of groceries, gas, utilities, life insurance, whatever. You have the funds anyway. Now that gives you a grand total of at least almost $2,800 that you have spent on the card in less than 30 days, or you may have a little bit more bills than that, maybe $3,000. You know, your credit limit is $2,000. You can spend $3,000. You can actually spend $4,000. As long as you have the money to put back on the card, and you do it before the 30 days up. So once you reach that 30th day, if your credit limit is back up to $2,000, you'll still be at that 0% utilization. So that's one way you can actually use the card to benefit yourself. Well, thank you for watching that. I hope you guys got some ideas. I wanted to do a more condensed version on this. I know a lot of some of the other credit card YouTubers, they'll give the history, and I didn't want to do that. I want to get right into it because that's not really what you're looking for. I got it because it works out for me. Like I said, I don't go over $1,000. If I do, I make sure I put it back right away before the 30 days because I don't want to report it on my credit report. I don't want to go over certain utilization on the card. but I do use it to pay my mortgage, and I do use it to pay one of my car notes with it, and that way I generate the 1.5%. I do it on a monthly basis, so it's if Quicksilver, if you spend $10,000 a year or so, sometimes they have $10,000 a month, you'll get that 1.5% cash back, and that's great for people that's trying to earn some extra income that way. If you have the money anyway in your regular checking account, times are hard for people, so I want you guys to be safe out there, wear your mask, and catch you on the next episode of Wall Street New Hustle. You guys be safe.
This is the Quicksilver Cashback Card from Capital One. Unlimited 1.5% cash back on every purchase, everywhere, every damn day. Now tell me, what's in your wallet?